I definitely met the right type of people. I think this summit was incredible because you had all different industries, all different types of companies, and so especially having the round tables and being able to introduce yourself and see other perspectives was fantastic.
So what I really liked about the summit is the kind of interaction we have with the people. They are very open-minded, they're willing to share. I think that kind of intimacy or that kind of openness I have not seen in other summits.
I really like the varied approach to the content. We heard from people that were experts in their markets and industries. We heard from technology providers, and we heard from experts in pricing and marketing in general.
Now there's so much more technology that's been injected into the different tools we can use, and the array of tools and offerings is just immense. So it's nice, right? Everything has expanded, and that the function isn't just go in and be kind of an Excel jockey, as it were. It's, hey, you're actually an industry SME and you know how we can apply these things. Go in, have the tools at your disposal to really have a broader impact to the overall life and livelihood of the business. So it's brighter days ahead.
Things are moving much faster because of technology. And so the pricing landscape is far more complex than what it used to be because of big data, because of AI, machine learning. I mean, you are dealing with the ability to have pricing solutions for much more complex gamut of products. And you also have the ability, if you do it right, price optimally, you can drive a lot more profitability, a lot more revenue growth. So pricing is a lot more exciting and a lot more complex than what it was in the past.
What I find unique about the summit is there were a large number of people with different perspectives on pricing, and getting this together was really awesome. Every speaker had a different angle. Some talked about organizations, others talked about strategies, others talked about systems and tools and AI, and it was really awesome to put all the perspective together, and it was a very rich experience to be able to do that.
Oh, I would absolutely recommend this conference. It's just such a fantastic event, well organized, well run, just a total experience in terms of the people, the content, the networking opportunities, absolutely 100% top notch.
Well, we're really enjoying being part of the conference and the summit. Lots of interesting presenters, lots of energy, lots of solution providers, lots of good pricing strategy ideas, and we're just enjoying connecting with folks from all different industries.
One common theme and my principal takeaway is that the quantification of the value is the core of the questions for both B2B and B2C. And if you get there, that's where you could get a genuine competitive advantage. I think that was the consensus all across the 2 days. Wonderful summit, had a great experience.
There was some great networking opportunities here. We really liked the speed dating, I think we called it. We met the right type of people. We met people we didn't expect to meet in markets and companies that we normally don't talk to. So it was a good chance to broaden our reach to those kind of companies. So I absolutely think this event in particular, and the way that it's structured and the way that it's a mixture of good content, but also opportunities to network and meet one-on-one is a really good thing for us as a pricing vendor, but also for everybody that's participating.